You're invited to meet in Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island's biosciences sector is leading the way with internationally recognized expertise and infrastructure, and has become a key pillar of the provincial economy. From prominent industry players to academic institutions, government and research partners, Prince Edward Island is a premier destination for bioscience meetings and conventions. Unique venues, world-class food, stunning scenery, and out-of-the-box experiences all come together to create the perfect destination for your next meeting.
Prince Edward Island is becoming a hub of innovation for life science companies where they collaborate with academic researchers to address their emerging global issues.
Key players in Prince Edward Island's bioscience community include Somru, an emerging biotechnology company dedicated to developing breakthrough antibody technology; StepScan, developers and manufacturers of a state-of-the-art computerized mobility technology; and Sekisui, innovators in diagnostics.
The bioscience industry in Prince Edward Island has been a thriving part of the rebirth of our economy. It is a really unique partnership among industry partners, academic institutions, both here in Prince Edward Island and indeed internationally, as well as our government partners. Prince Edward Island is unique in the fact that it seems like hospitality is kind of in our genes. And when our visitors come to these conferences, what really matters at the end of the day, and what people are looking for, the delegates are looking for, is not just the content of the conferences, but the communications and the relationships they build with people who are other delegates from other parts of the world. And that's why Prince Edward Island and our biosector is a great place to come if you're holding your international conference.
We invite you to host your business event on Prince Edward Island, where we will toast innovation, research, and collaboration. Business meets in Prince Edward Island.